One of the questions that comes up every time we're looking at everyone's homeowners insurance is the valuation of the property. It's very interesting. Everyone has a distinct number of what they feel their property is valued. However, everyone that owns a property has a used property, so to speak. They don't think about what does it cost to replace it as a new property. For example, when you drive a car off the lot, it's automatically worth 40% less. However, when you have a home, you may think it's worth $500,000, but it actually may be costing $600,000 to rebuild because you have to factor in materials as well as labor and what you want to do with your new home if you're rebuilding. You need to look at what is the replacement cost on your policy. You actually need to ask them, what is the cost per square foot? And then double check the rates in your neighborhood to make sure that that amount is sufficient. Many people are underinsured because they don't feel the value of the home is what it is to replace the home. And so if you're having trouble understanding that, give us a call. We have solutions for you. You may not like our answers, but we're always going to help you uncomplicate it.